In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Notion expert. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your skills, following these steps will help you master Notion and even open up professional opportunities within this vibrant digital space. Let's start our journey by building a solid foundation of knowledge. The best way to get started is to begin with the free, self-paced courses offered by Notion Academy found in Notion's Help Center. These courses are specifically designed to introduce you to the essential features and functionalities of Notion. As you progress, focus on earning key badges that showcase your growing proficiency. These include completing the Essentials, Settings and Sharing, and Workflows paths. By achieving these, you not only expand your knowledge but also earn tangible proof of your skills, useful for future endeavors. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to deepen your expertise. Consider getting certified. The Notion Certified exams are an excellent method to validate your advanced knowledge and ensure that you can effectively apply what you've learned in practical scenarios. Moreover, if you're interested in taking your skills to a professional level, follow the consultant path. This involves passing 3 initial exams, followed by additional certifications to become an official Notion consulting partner. This recognition is highly valued and speaks to your high level of competence. Don't just stop at exams. One of the true tests of your skills is learning by doing. Dive into personal or professional projects, using your knowledge to explore creative ways to utilize Notion's powerful features like databases and templates. These real-world applications are invaluable and can significantly boost both your confidence and capability. As your proficiency grows, showcasing your skills becomes an important step. Start by sharing your Notion projects online to build both a portfolio and a reputation. This not only illustrates your expertise to potential clients but also demonstrates your passion and dedication to mastering Notion. Joining the Notion community will also enhance your growth. Networking with other users and professionals can provide inspiration, support, and maybe even collaborative opportunities. Additionally, augmenting your Notion skills with complementary skills can dramatically increase your value. Learning a no-code automation tool like Zapier or Make.com can make your services more versatile and appealing to a wider range of clients. Remember, being able to solve organizational problems for clients is as crucial as knowing Notion inside out. Flex your problem-solving skills continuously. It's okay to look up technical details as you go, as long as you remain focused on delivering efficient solutions. By following these steps, you're not just learning to use a tool. You're unlocking a pathway to becoming an expert, ready to make a significant impact in both personal and professional realms with Notion. Let's get started and see where this journey takes you.